I'm Choi Ziwing, and today we are going to introduce our application Health Tracker. For the practicality, in recent years, various types of diets have become popular around the world. For example, low-carb diets, intermittent fasting. People are keen on trying different types of diets. It's obvious that people are starting to pay more attention to their health. Also, people start work from home because of COVID-19. They stay seated in front of their computer and the amount of exercise is decreasing at the same time. Before COVID-19, people were busy because of the fast pace of life and spent most of the time at their workplace. Many people did not take care of their health. After that, people gained weight and wanted to start doing sports and record their health. Therefore, a health tracker application will be useful for them. In the application, users can record the calories they consumed, the exercise they did, the water they drank, and the period. The application will bring convenience to users since it will help them to calculate and analyze the data they input. For example, a girl can use the health tracker for her diet. She can keep recording her daily calories consumed, the amount of exercise and water she drank, and her period time. The application will be a good assistant in her diet, help her to save time and summarize her daily health records. The period feature will be important for female users since girls are not recommended to do exercise when they are in their period.
Hello, my name is Popoa, and now I will talk about the first fragment. The first fragment is for recording the daily calorie, such as calorie at breakfast, lunch, and dinner today, and calculate how many calories they absorb today. Also, the calorie calculator will give advice after the calculation. It's very troublesome to record the daily calories because we can't remember exactly how many they eat and how many calories they absorb. Therefore, this calorie calculator is used for the user to immediately record the calories they absorb. And also, the sum of the calories at breakfast, lunch, and dinner today will be saved for fragment 5, summary of energy gain. Next fragment is about the exercise management. The second fragment is for recording the daily exercise such as running and hiking, and green time will be saved. Also, this fragment will give grade according to the duration time. It's very inconvenient for user to record the exercise and duration time. Therefore, this fragment is used for the user to immediately record this. And with the grade system, users' effort can be emitted by the app and let users be pressured to do exercise with good grading. And also, the sum of the estimated consumed calorie will be stated for fragment 5. And thank you.
Thank you, Hua. And thirdly, I would like to talk about the feature of period management. In this feature, the period management is used to record the girl's menstruation period, and there's a lot of software for recording menstruation. And we hope to add this function to our app to make it easier for girls to record their physical condition. In the period calculator, user can enter the first day of the period, duration, and the cycle. And when you click the first day blank, there is a pop-up function, which is the calendar function. It will be more convenient for user to set dates on the calendar. The calculator stores a record of the menstrual cycle, and we calculate the next expected period for user. It will also calculate the average cycle length and the average duration. so that the user can more fully understand their menstrual status.
And for the water management fragment is to recording the daily water deficiency and calculate how much water users should drink according to their weight. It is very troublesome to record the daily water intake because we can't remember exactly how many glasses of water we drink and how much we drink each day. Therefore, this daily water deficiency is for users that they can immediately record the amount of water they drink in the application when they drink water. The application will calculate whether users' daily water consumption meets the standard, and when they miss the standard, it will remind the user.
Thank you. And now let's talk about the last feature, which is the summary of energy gain. In this page, there is the summary of how many calories of energy and the user have gained or reduced. And the data are given from the previous 3 pages, which are the calories gained, exercise done, and water drunk. By this data, we can calculate the total gained or reduced energy. The app will also give some advices in fields of overall daily gain, exercise done, and the volume of water. And if we scroll down the page, we can see the list of record of the user in recent 7 days, so that the user can easily make a plan on how to lose weight. So that's all features of our mobile app, and let's talk about the difficulties we have faced.
Thank you. And next, we would like to talk about the difficulties. For the next 2 slides, we would like to talk about the 2 important difficulties, which is the error checking and the resources management, which is the share preference. And for the other difficulties that not that important, it will be detailed in our report.
So the first problem is the variable and error checking. Since there are too many variable calculation and conversion in our programming, the logcat function becomes the important feature in our app development. Take it to an example. In our programming, it requires us to put numbers out of a strange array list and for calculation and writing them into a new array. In this situation, central mistakes are unavoidable. So we would like to use the logcat function for us to track the variable changes, and this function can help us to debug faster and make us to more understand our program.
Okay, thank you. Apart from error tracking, we think that share preference is also a big difficulty we face when designing the app. It is because we need to store different kinds of user data. For example, in fragment 5, we need to receive and summarize data from other fragments. Therefore, one of the most troublesome things in using share preference is that you have to save groups of data into strings and split them into necessary data. Also, we have to filter and remove useless data. To process those kind of data, here organization and analysis are needed for us to design the program. That's why we think that share preference is a big issue to us. And now it's the time for our leader to demonstrate our app.
Hi, I'm Lena. I will do the demonstration of our health tracker. This is our first fragment. It calculates the daily calorie that user absorbs and will show the history of the user daily calorie. First, input the calorie of your lunch, breakfast, and dinner. After click the calculate button, the calculator will sum up the total calorie and it will give you some advice. You can also see your calorie history below. The next fragment is exercise management. First, users have to input what exercise they done and the exercise time. After the user clicks the submit button, our app will generate the record of user exercise and give a grade to our user. The third fragment is period management. First, the user have to enter their first day of the period, duration, how long does it last, and the cycle, how many days have passed since the last period. After the user clicks Done, our app will output a summary of the average cycle length and average duration, and will also calculate the next expected period for the user. The data can be also deleted. Then is our fourth fragment, water management. First, users can use our app to calculate how much water should they drink every day. Afterwards, they can use our app to record immediately the amount of the water they drink in the app and when they drink the water. The app will calculate whenever the user's daily water consumption meets the standard. The last one is a summary. The summary will show the total calorie gain, how many exercises have the user done, and what are the diversions of the user of the day. Then it will show the total gain energy. Our app will also give the advices on overall daily gain, exercise, and water aspects. User can also click the button Reset Today's Data to reset all the data. This is the end of our demonstration, and next, this is our work division. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you.